Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am gonna introduce you to the new AI-powered video editing tool that's taking the editing world by storm. In this video, we'll explore what WiseCut is, how it works, and why it's such a game changer for video editors. What is WiseCut? WiseCut is an AI-powered video editing tool that allows you to edit videos in a fast and efficient manner. The software uses artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to analyze your footage and make editing suggestions based on the content. How does it work? When you upload your footage, WiseCut will automatically cut your silence area from your footage, auto-ducking, adding subtitles, and adding background music. So while we are waiting, let's get started to edit your video automatically by using AI power. First, we have to open our browser and search on Google WiseCut.com. To start editing your video, first you have to create an account on WiseCut.com. I am gonna click the sign in button. Now I'm trying to fill up all the information such as my email, confirm email, password, confirm password, language, first name, and last name. After entering all information we have to click on Create button. Now you can see my account is successfully created. After logging this account, you can see Create a new project button from the homepage option. I'm gonna upload a video. Now this video is uploading. After uploading this video, it will take some time. It will depend on your video size. Then you have to click on the next option. Here you can see a lot of amazing automatic features: smooth cuts, auto cut silences, smart background music, auto duck, auto punch and slash out, background noise canceling, and burning captions. You can turn on or off those options that you want to apply to your video. It depends on your choice. Then you have to add your project name and select a language. Now you have to click Create Project button for applying all the automation process in your video. Then it will take a few minutes for processing. After completing the process, you can download your video. I am going to show you the before and after preview results.
The Amazon forest is a natural wonderland that boasts breathtaking beauty at every turn. From its lush greenery to its diverse wildlife, the Amazon is a true masterpiece of nature's design. The Amazon forest is a natural wonderland that boasts breathtaking beauty at every turn. From its lush greenery to its diverse wildlife, the Amazon is a true masterpiece of nature's design.
Wow, I am impressed with the result of the WiseCut AI video editor. WiseCut automatically auto-cut the silences area formed footage, automatically added an amazing background music. WiseCut's user-friendly interface and AI-powered editing suggestions make it a fast and efficient way to edit videos. With WiseCut, you can streamline your editing workflow and produce high-quality content more quickly than ever before. Hope this tutorial will be helpful, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.